In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
After using Coda and Notion for about 6 months to manage team documentation, collaboration, and internal knowledge systems, I can say both tools are powerful, but they approach documentation in very different ways. Coda feels like a hybrid between a document editor and a lightweight application builder. What I like most is how interactive everything is. You can build tables, automate workflows, and create dynamic documents that behave almost like mini apps. For teams that want documentation tied closely to actions and processes, Coda is extremely powerful. The downside is that it has a steeper learning curve and it can feel less intuitive for teams that just want simple, clean documentation. Notion, on the other hand, feels more like a flexible workspace for writing and organizing information. Over the last 6 months, what stood out to me is how easy it is to create beautiful, structured documentation that teams actually enjoy using. It's great for wikis, knowledge bases, and collaborative notes, and most people can pick it up very quickly. The downside is that while Notion has databases and automation, it doesn't reach the same level of interactivity and logic-based functionality as Coda. One thing to pay attention to is your team's needs. If you want simple, clean documentation with easy collaboration and fast adoption, Notion is usually the better choice. If you need your documents to act more like tools, where tables, logic, and automation drive workflows, Coda becomes much more powerful. Another factor is simplicity versus functionality depth. Notion focuses on ease of use and content organization, while Coda focuses on building dynamic, functional documents that can support complex workflows. So after 6 months of using both tools, my conclusion is simple. Notion is better for teams that want a clean, flexible, and easy-to-use documentation platform. Coda is better for teams that want advanced, interactive documents that combine writing, data, and automation. The best choice depends on whether your priority is simple collaboration or building powerful app-like documents inside your workspace.